So welcome to VGA Digital Lab at smtvs.com. This is our tech blog. I went today and I guess you're not a Jamaican, and we got a thing in Jamaica they call guinea. It's a fruit. So I'm trying to suck on one of the guinea them now. hmm Let me take this out of my mouth because it's too sweet and it's going to get in the talk and say if you ever want to try guinea out, come to Jamaica. Okay, today we on the subject of end-to-end encryption. Now, we'll speak about some things. Okay, right here, it's the SMTVS, original search from the original smtvs.com, which is also a Google search. Trust me, I did not instruct the AI to use Google search here. I only instruct to put our smart search. The smart search will search the internet too. Although it's saying searching another place, and then we're gonna have put in search World Wide Web. And when you search SMTVS and we can't find what you want, we'll ask you. You can search Google by using SMTVS Google search, right? Also, we are available in extension that you can switch around the Luna search and put Google search there if that's your preference, or your Bing search there if you want. But I feel when we launched Luna search, as Luna search wasn't created here, but it's going to create it just like this voice command, okay? And this little thing represents an AI. But now when you come out, I put my thing over it, it's going to say AI. Click. AI going to say, what do you need to search for? And that is Luna coming to you again. So we're going to put Luna in the search. Because I feel like the new search for the future, it's not even typing. It's basically saying, Luna, I need to go to YouTube. I need to go to Microsoft. I need to go to Amazon. I need to go to Netflix. It goes there for you. You don't need to do anything but speak. Right? I was just talking to my friend Lucas Sonny, and he's like, well, I want to talk to Luna. I want to talk to Luna. I'm like, okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a Luna buddy. So when you go inside a Luna is going to be your friend. Right? So it's a lot of stuff like for kids, we're going to have, they can come and make their own little personal Luna and they can talk to, and Luna will say, what you want, game? La, la, la. So even the kids part of SMTVS is going to be really good for the kids them to have this experience like cartoon and all that stuff when they are in the kids browser. And Luna running up and down on the screen talking to them and everything. Okay. Luna's supposed to be animated 3D AI in my computer, right? That talks to you, right? So we didn't finish the compilation, and program was not finished yet. So hopefully you guys will see that happen. We're going to talk about end-to-end encryption. So sites like Google, Microsoft, Apple Computer, which is Safari, and even like Lexicon, I think Strawberry, and some other people in the biz that's using VGA encryption, strong encryption. So even though my site has good security on it, my browser have good security on it, I find yesterday when I tried, I was here and I went down here and I said, okay, I said, it's there, so go ahead and use it. Well, we tested this one. This is my original thing. And I could just go ahead and put maybe a V or something in it and go do this, right? And this definitely is coming over to SMTVS search. And this is our original SMTVS search, right? So you guys know what's going on, right? But we didn't ask that AI actually go to SMTVS account in Google and know that I have a search there and bring it here. Because we was pioneering and creating the voice, first voice, you can search by voice here. And we wanted to have a real AI response in the search. So now on the next chat, I will be making a true Luna intelligent search page. And so when you go there, you just say, Luna, go do this for me and do that for me. And now Luna will search the web for you and print back the information on Luna page. No need for your Google thing because it's a new future. And Luna also offer the options when you come in. So do you want us to search for you, or do you want to use Google search? Do you want to use Bing search? And so it's going to ask you about all other search engines then. And if that's your preference, it's going to bring that search engine to you. Okay? So that's like a good thing, right? So Google M extension, Microsoft M extension will be in the server as well. My server do data collection internally, and AI use the data collection to make the server more better, right? So those are things I discussed, and I will go reiterate it back to in the chat. That remember, everything that happens in Luna, it's taken and stored and looked at and sent down to the AI Luna department to look at it and to implement certain new rules and regulations based upon the reaction and action of the server. Right? So if you come here and you maybe, same thing, you log in too much time, you're going to find if you're a human or you're a robot, all this kind of stuff. Right? So we're talking about the internet. So yeah, we did that. So we should just give you that quick demonstration where we're talking about Google search. So the only thing is like a dumb idea, right? Where I can just go on my search engine that's at Google and search, but calling Google actual search engine to the browser pose a problem because it's like Google browser detected that the search engine is being called in another browser. That's really what's going on. Okay? We have a way around that. You understand? Our system have detected unusual traffic from your computer network. See it? Right. So things like that. So my thing come up now. Security information. So, what we're talking about is encryption. So, over Google, it's saying the information couldn't be encrypted, right? So, we need to put in VGA. That is with Microsoft and with Apple and with all the people that need to be in there. Okay, that doesn't say that we can't actually go to site. Let's get another one here. And let's bring up BBC News. So what we are trying to make sure of, that we have extra security, right? So that people can trust to come and put them email into the thing. You understand? And when the information goes back to Google, Google would then now see that it's in an encrypted thing, right? It got encrypted, right? So, but now we got, if we were really in original browser, all this stuff that's on the top right here, in original browser, will be up on the top, so you will see the full page. But for now, we are using the browser from the in the app itself, because the agent did not write a proper zip, and so that zip cannot be opened on Windows until I go and do that. So we go on like that, and SoundCloud the same way. But if we go to the Git, we certainly have the Git there, right? All right. And so, like I'm saying, you guys, we're working from the ops, so we are not in container. We are out of container, but this is the ops test area actually. This is how we test this ops to make sure it's safe. Because I had spoke to the agent, hey, I need to see if the browser is really working. We don't want to make a puss in a bag. You know what I mean? Like that. So this is my test series. So I'm running Luna from test site, right? And we're gonna fix the zip, and the zip is gonna be cool. So that was about the end-to-end encryption. We should close up Google because it's not resolving. Leave those at resolving. So that's the end-to-end encryption. And then we talk about how the search went, and we are telling you we have a more smarter search engine. It's an AI search. You speak to it, it search, and go to do the thing that you want to do. And that's how it goes. I have no time to bring up a page for you more than go directly to the place you want and land you there. So if I want to go to Google, it would not print out a million Google this and that unless you ask for variety, unless it's a specific name that you ask for, and the AI know that it's more than one site and more than one business name that name, it's gonna then put all the relative one or on it. This is Van Tone, Van Land, Van Car, that type of stuff. But if it's just a specific site like a YouTube, boom, YouTube, Microsoft, Amazon, MSN, it just flashes these places, okay? Smart browser. Giving you less time to go to all a lot of stuff, trying to rewind through a lot of words, see if you find the right place, is the right one I'm looking for, and I'm scrolling. I would just say, Luna, I need to go to YouTube. I want a nice movie. I want comedy. You know what I mean? Hey, I like to watch Swallow Star. Yo, bring Swallow Star to me. I want to see what's going on with Lou Fang. You know what I mean? And Lou Fang is always trotting with his little hair on the side. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's where we are. So we are going to go on the next chat session, and we're going to fully encrypt, make it compatible to Google, to Apple Computer, to the lexicon system, because I read some stuff that, and those are the common ones that we may end up on. Okay, you guys. So let's get to the next topic. And the next topic is that every time I talk to Google search browser, search that little mic thing up there, and ask for a search, it actually does something else. So maybe I should ask mine and see what happened. Could you search for some music for us? So now, up here, base 44 reacts when I did that. Music. So that's a thing. So click. Music. So these are the ones that we always checking out. Hey, slick. It delays, but it knows. You find you test your stuff, and that is all about, right? So, music. So, with a smart browser, when we say music, a smart search, it's going to go to music page, right? So that's what that's all about, right? Okay. I forgot. I need to click on that AI search thing. That's the AI, right? I need to do that, right? That's our little click button AI thing. Anyways, so this, it's still, okay, you see it's still activated, right? It picks up really fast on things that I'm saying. And it gets it. It gets it. It doesn't misspell. Everything I'm talking about, it comes right up on the machine, right? So you got the first part. Everything I'm talking about comes right up on the machine. So it may be slow a bit. So we're going to improve that. It's more acting much like a Google stuff, right? Anyway, let's get out of here. And there's nothing there about that. Okay. All right. Now, let's have a little conversation. Hey, Luna, what's up? I'm here trying to improve Luna browser, the first artificial intelligent browser in the world, and we're trying to have people come over and have better experience.
Hey, not much, just hanging out. That's awesome that you're working on improving the Luna browser. What kind of features or changes are you thinking about?
I am, okay, having a full AI search engine. So all you have to do is ask the AI what you want, where you want to go, and AI will take you directly to that site. So you see, because I really has no credit, I just have enough credit when it get too deep. You know what I mean? I noticed that. I noticed the stuff like we've been having this problem with there, and they emailed me. In fact, they emailed me and said something today about some of the module not being implemented. So we need to let the chat know. You know, I talked to Luna, and all of a sudden Luna is jumping out when I ask deep questions. Right? So we need to like have full improvements. Open sidebar. It's saying something here. Open AI sidebar for you. Oh, so.
Got it. Just a heads up, I'll make sure to mention you talked to Lumina in our chat. Anything specific you want me to add or highlight?
No, okay, and you see what's going on here, you guys. This is where we need to like know that it's open another one in the background. Not this time. I want you to highlight. I see that you just opened that. I didn't really see that bar was really open. That you opened the bar, so I guess you can do a lot of stuff.
I'd love to help you with that. It looks like you're exploring the Luna browser and thinking about enhancements for its features. Do you want to discuss any specific ideas or focus on improving the AI search engine functionality? Let me know how I can assist you.
So, you guys, let me like rewind here. So we're not gonna try to hold a real long conversation because you know we on video time and everything. But just to give you a quick journey on the fact that we can talk to Luna even in our Jamaican dialect, and Luna gets it, right? So those are the two topics we covered today. End-to-end encryption. We got to use VGA, so that's the name again, encryption, like what is on Chrome and everybody else stuff, and so you guys will feel more even safer, even though we know the browser is good. Even though we can say, okay, let's kick on over and go look at world news at BBC, and it comes